Bees, this is swarm install number 49. Picked it up last night. Don't know what we got. I'm expecting it to be kind of a small one just because we've caught so many there. So we're probably going to plan on going with a nuke install on this one. We just installed 49 right next door. So we're going to check these girls out and see what we got. Like Christmas every year, especially with these couple of locations. This customer here has decided he wants to keep these, so the next swarm we catch over there is going to be his. Looks like we got 2.5, 3 frames of bees. So they're probably going to stay right here in this nuke for the time being until they build up a little bit. I'm going to set these girls, oh dear Jesus. Got some festooning going on down there. They were getting ready to draw some serious comb off the bottom of that. That swarm's bigger than we thought it was. So right now the question is mama in there or in here? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give them another box because there's more bees there than we thought there was. And give them 5 more frames. They moved in late yesterday evening. Got a lot of clustering going on over here. So we're just gonna bump these girls in there and let them settle in. Majority of that ball of bees is on that side. So what we're gonna do is just like a package install, we're gonna go check for the queen, make sure we didn't leave her behind, and give them some frames. That's a pretty good sized swarm there. Tickled to death. I wish he'd have had his box there. It's been a nice one to move into a 10 frame trap. Lots of fanning going on. Alrighty, so we're gonna check, make sure we don't see Her Majesty laying around anywhere. Get this out of here so we can get right to set another trap. And I'll bump that box one more time. Box got her pheromones all over it. So put them at the front door. Watch them march in. Alrighty. So yeah, that one turned out to be a little trickier than most of them. But that's why we move them so quick. Everybody asks how long you let a swarm hang. Them girls was dead set on drawing comb on the bottom side of that box. And had they been successful, they'd have made a big old mess. That's just what they'd have done. So they're swarming around the trap right now trying to figure it out. Put a lid on them so they can figure out where mama is and get everybody back to the front door so they can get in there and move in. We ain't even gonna look for mama on this one. So this one's gonna get a brick with no markings because we don't have a clue what we got here. I really don't like how that top there is doing, so I'm going to put a strap over it. Another reason why we like these trailers with these tie downs on them. I got that gap closed up in that lid. Those girls are in there. We're gonna let them figure it out. Pop Pop's bees, that's swarm number 48, swarm number 49, and swarm number 47 down there in the 10 frame. Pop Pop's bees, please like and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.